Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Pass all your assignments. Pass all your assignments. Give your assignments to me. Songan. My Milaw. All together read this one. Answer. Who do you live with? Okay, very good. Sit down. You have 2 siblings. Brother or sister? Very good. Sit down. Listen, everyone. E.g. E.g. means for example. In English, for example. For example. This one, etc. In Latin, it's simply gratia. Listening to music? What music? Tell me about the music. Why do you like to play badminton? Very good. Sit down. Louder your voice na. Pudangdang na. Pudangdang. Playing guitar. When do you play guitar? Thai subject. Why Thai subject? It's the language that anything is fine. You don't like math. Me too. How about make your voice louder? Udang-dang, dai mai ka? More organized. Tell me about being more organized. How? Next, comes to Thai. Last one. Okay, very good. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Pass your assignments. Give me your assignment, please. Songan. May ningan? May milaw? All together read. Okay, very good. Sit down. You have 4 siblings. Very good. Sit down. What are the names of your family? This one, E.g. How to read E.g.? E.g. means for example. Etc. Do you like playing football? Ronaldo? When do you play football? Every day. Sit down. When do you play basketball? Sunday and Saturday. Okay, very good. Sit down. Dancing. Why do you like dancing? What else? You like to listening K-pop music. What K-pop music? Boy band groups. Example? NCT. Okay, sit down. What are your favorite subject in school?
I like Japanese.
You like Japanese. Why Japanese?
I want to go to Japan.
You want to go to Japan? Japanese words that you learn. Like, I only know Japanese words like Ohayo gozaimasu, Kanbatte, Sayonara, Mata ashita, Matane, Mata laishu. Genki desu ka? Daijoubu? Konnichiwa. In English, what is konnichiwa in English? Ohayo is the good morning, right? Then konbanwa. Konnichiwa is the afternoon. And evening is konbanwa. Konbanwa, right? What else? Alaik, tell me.
Sayonara.
Sayonara is goodbye.
Gakse, student.
Gakse. Gakse is students, nakriyan, right?
Eiko.
Eko. Eko in English. Eko, pewalay. Pewalay, pasang
English language.
Eko is English language. Gambati is susu is the same.
Isha.
Isha. In English?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Very good. Okay, what do you want to learn about this year?
Japan language.
Why Japanese language?
Japan.
You want to travel to Japan.
Nanji.
Nanjit. In English? What time is that? Chila? Nanbun. What is it in English? Minute only. Nanbun minute. Nan-UB. In English? What day is it? Asa ko hang nani o tabi mashita. What did you eat for breakfast, right? What are your goals for this school year? You want to get grade 4 for all the subjects? Do homework? Read some books? Do the exam? What do you want to be in the future? Engineer computer. Why engineer computer? Money higher. More valuable? Where do you want to study in the university? Sirapakuan University. Okay, sit down. Very good. Next. What is something that you want to achieve in the future? Okay, very good. You want to be the doctor. Why? Interpreter. Why interpreter? Interpreter Japanese, English, Chinese, what? Japanese. In English, how much? How much is it? You love basketball? Dayan ya. You want to get healthy? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye. Thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Return this to the owner. Give this to your classmates. Please pass all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Sungan. It's okay. Mami lang. Is this all? Is this all? Mami nga now. Number 1, all together read. Who do you live with? Okay, very good. Sit down. Now, how many siblings do you have? 3. You have 3 siblings. Name your siblings. Pudangdang damay ka. How to read this one? E.g. E.g. means for example. ATC means etc. Why do you like to play football? It's fun. Okay, sit down. How about you? What are your favorite hobbies or activities? And why do you like badminton? Okay, very good. Sit down. You like swimming and running. Why do you like swimming? Again, it's fun. You can play drumstick. What? You can make a movie. Okay, very good. Sit down. Why do you like swimming? Why science? It's exciting. What else? Funny? What? Why do you like math? Why science? It's exciting. Very good. Sit down. Okay, what do you want to learn more about this year? Want to be better in math. Focus. Do homework. Very good. Sit down. What are your goals for this school year?
My goal is to get high grade in a subject to make my family proud.
Okay, very good. How? Good score in math. Read a book. What is something you want to achieve in the future? Go Japan. Why do you want to go to Japan? Okay, very good. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Songan. May minga lang. Is this all? It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, very good. Sit down. Next. Okay, very good. You are going to read EG. It means for example. This one, ATC, etc.
For example, my favorite activity is planting a tree.
Why do you want to plant a tree? Why basketball? Okay, very good. How about you? What is your favorite sport or physical activity?
My favorite sport is football.
Why football?
I like to kick the football, make me happy and exercise, so it makes me healthier.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Playing guitar. Why do you like to play guitar? When do you play guitar? Every day. At your home or in school? Prot, do you have any special talents or skills? Swimming? Why do you like swimming? Exciting? What else? What? Bodybuilding? Why do you like karate? Karate. Okay, sit down. Very good. Why English? Sorry? Teacher is very kind. What else? It's not hard. Okay, very good. Sit down. How about you?
My favorite subject is English.
Why English?
Because I want to learn to speak English. English so fun.
Okay, sit down. Very good. You want to learn how to play keyboard. Why do you want to learn how to play keyboard? What do you want to learn about science? Element. What do you want to learn about math subject? Calculus. Is it not hard or easy, the calculus? Pascal. What is Pascal? Is it a formula? What is that? Okay, very good. Sit down. You want to learn more about grammar. Send homework, yes. What else? Do exam, yes. Okay, very good. Sit down. Why do you want to become a doctor? You want to help people? Stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you, teacher. Okay, see you next week. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. Songan. May hingan lang. May hilaw. Okay, very good. Sit down. Next. All together read. Okay, how many siblings do you have? Name your brother. How old is he? Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay, what are the names of your family members? Okay, very good. Sit down. How to read this one? EG. EG means in English, for example. This one, etc.
My favorite hobby is playing games and dancing.
What are the games that you are playing? Huh? ROV. When do you play ROV? After you do all your homework. What time is that? What time usually? 8 p.m. How about dancing? Why do you like dancing? What makes you inspire in dancing? Okay, you idolize Lisa from Blackpink. Okay, very good. Sit down, Inging.
My favorite one is football.
Why football?
It's fun.
It's fun. What else? Alaik? Table tennis. Why table tennis? Why badminton? You can dance. Give me an example of a song that you love. Any special talents or skills? Or sing the Blackpink Doot Doot Do. Yes. What are your favorite subjects in school? What are your favorite subjects in school? Cho, bui, cha, alay. You like Chinese. Why you like Chinese? You like Chinese food. Chinese word that you learned. Jiao shang hao, ni hao. I only know that one. Why Chinese? You want to go to China. Hokse. What is it in English? Red. You want to learn more about music? You want to play guitar every Saturday. Tell me about the code program. You want to make a game? What kind of game? You want to make passion game? Passion game. Next, all together read. What are your goals for this school year? Learn Chinese. Okay, you like Chinese? I think you like Chinese. Give me a word of a Chinese word that you learned. Okay, very good. Sit down. You want to go to Korea? Why Korea? What artist? NCT. Give me a song of NCT that you like. Okay, very good. What is something you want to achieve in the future? You want to travel around the world? Italy. You want to eat pizza? Okay, very good. What's your dream vacation destination? Why do you want to travel to Japan? Very good. Sit down next. You want to know how to ride jet ski? Desserts. Stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.